Hello, my name is Keshwani. It's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the GRE Official Guide, the 4th edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. Today is our lesson number 37. Lesson number 37, we are on page number 231. On page number 231, there are two problems. We did the one yesterday, number 11, and today we're going to number 12. As you can see, the problem is already on the blackboard. The problem is very straightforward, very simple. We just have to figure out the slope of a line. Let's see what we know about the line itself. We are told this line, which they are calling K, line K. We are told that the x-intercept of line K is -4. We are further told that this line K passes through the midpoints of the line segment with the endpoints 2, 9 and 2, 0. So there's a line segment which has the endpoints of 2, 9 and 2, 0, and this line, our line, line K, passes through the midpoint of this line segment. The question simply is, what's the slope of line K? Go ahead, do it yourself. I'll give you a second to be able to pause and unpause the video. Let's see what we can do. Let's first look at this line segment. So here's 2, 9. So let's call it 3, 6 and 9. 2, 9. This is 3, 6 and 9. And it goes through 2, 0. Right there, 2, 0. What the midpoint is going to be, but the x coordinate doesn't change, obviously. It's just 2, and this goes up to 9 from 0, so it's 4.5. The midpoint is 4.5. So it goes through 2 and 4.5. And we also know that it has a x-intercept of -4. Somewhere here, let's erase this part. X-intercept. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes through this line right there. So we know that it goes through this point. Let's call it A because that's the x-intercept. And it goes through this point. Let's call it B. We just have to figure out the slope. Slope is equal to the change in y-coordinate, which is -4 minus this is -4 and 0. So it's just 4.5 minus 0. And 2 minus -4. 2 minus -4. This is where you have to pay attention. I'm using point B first. So it's 4.5 minus a 0. And similarly 2 minus a -4. That's what we're looking at. So it just becomes 4.5 over 6. And that's not how the answer is given in the book. We'll have to simplify it. Let's multiply top and bottom by 2. So we end up with 9 over 6, and then we have to reduce it, and we end up with 9 over 12 rather. 6 times 2 is 12. Let's reduce it, divide top and bottom by 3. So the answer is 3/4. The slope of the line that we are interested in, the line K, is simply 3/4. See you tomorrow, okay? Bye now.